Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix delayed WhatsApp messages. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. In order to fix that problem, you will need to check if your WhatsApp needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, as you can see right here, there is an update button. So I'm going to just go ahead and update my Messenger or WhatsApp. So as you can see right here in my browser, if someone having problems of delaying messages, one, probably you haven't updated the app. Secondly, your contact having a connection problem, and that other person's might be the other person's phone might be turned off and they might be out of coverage area or roaming, right? So you need to be aware and expect that to come if you have a bad connection or if your contact is not available on WhatsApp. So basically, if that didn't work out for you, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your screen and go ahead to your browser. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the general and then iPhone storage, and I'm gonna check if my iPhone storage right here, and I'm gonna go ahead to the WhatsApp, and I'm gonna upload the app. And by uploading the app, they will unload some of the unnecessary documents, files, and information, and then we'll keep your necessary things like your login, your chats, your important chats in the archives and all that. But the unnecessary files will be, deleted. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.